Hello, today we'll learn about the phrase flush something away. It means to wash something down with water or to lose something completely. For example, you can flush away paper or rubbish in the toilet. You can also say someone flushed away money when they lost it. Flush something away is a separable phrasal verb. You can say flush something away or flush away something, but the first is more common. Be careful to always include the object. For example, she flushed the papers away. Not just she flushed away. This phrase can be used in daily life and in business. For example, he flushed away his savings. Or, don't flush away your chance to succeed. Remember, flush away is different from throw away. Throw away means to put something in the trash. Flush away means to wash it down with water. Now try to use flush something away in your sentences. It's a useful phrase for both literal and figurative meanings. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and see you next time.